Alright, so we are currently on our way to meet homeboy Timmy. He's gonna give us an APR wing because he's partying out his car. And that shit is loud. But anyways, we are gonna go meet Timmy at Best Buy, and he's gonna give us SubiSpeed headlights, a wing. Let me see. Gonna go meet Timmy at Best Buy. We're gonna get APR wing, SubiSpeed headlights, SubiSpeed taillights. I already got SubiSpeed taillights, but he's gonna give me the clear version, the lens. I got the smoke version right now, and I don't know what else he'll give me. We'll see when we get there. Alright, so we got the wing, the lights, all that shit back there. Look at that. Yes, sir. Alright, so you see the SubiSpeed headlight right there, the wing, some more taillights, and the other headlight. Alright, so we got back home, and we're about to unload everything out of the trunk. We got the wing, we got the headlight, or at least one of them, tail lights. Don't mind like all this stuff, but the other headlight. And we already took out these thingies. There's these. There, the paint's I mean, you could always spray paint it, you know the vibes. But wing, headlight, all that. So I'm gonna take all the stuff out real quick, and then yeah. Alright, so we just got everything out of the car, and I'm gonna show you guys what all we got. So we got the big old APR wing. Look at that. Sheesh. It's crazy. Alright, and then SubiSpeed headlights. This is the left side. Right side. And there. And then got some SubiSpeed taillights as well. Black on red. I'm gonna take the black ones off. One less reason for cops to pull me over, you know the whole biggie. But I'm gonna show you guys how to remove headlights, or taillights, my bad. Alright, so we're gonna swap these taillights out. We're gonna go from the smoke lens to the clear lens, because cops ain't it. But I'll show you guys here in a second how to install them. So what you want to do, take the carpet out the back. You got clips. You got a clip right here, a little clip down there, and then one up here. Pull those out, and then you'll be able to do this. And then you got 3 8mm right there, and then yeah, and then you'll have one of these. Unclip it. Alright, so you got the little clip holding in the tail light right there. So what you're gonna want to do is just pull it straight out. Alright, So once you push it back in, put those 4 bolts, or I guess 3, and reconnect it. Make sure you grab the little, push it into the little thing on this side. But we got so far. Yeesh. Alright, so I'm gonna just do a little time lapse for you guys. I did one side already. I'm gonna time lapse the other side, put everything back in, and I'll get back to you guys here in a sec. Alright, so we just got done putting in both the tail lights. What do you guys think? So, same thing on this side, just put all 3 bolts back, hook that up, and on my car it's got these little thingies for that, keep the wire all tucked up and nice. And then this little thing right here is for my third brake light down there. So let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, and now it matches the bottom. We gotta do the ultimate test. Let's move the speaker down here. Just close the trunk. Oh yeah, that looks so nice. But I think that's gonna be it for this video. We still got the SubiSpeed headlights and the big wing to mount, but I don't think we're gonna get to that today. It's kind of getting dark out already. All I really wanted to put in was the tail lights, but yeah. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. And I don't really feel like taking apart my front bumper just to put on the headlights right now, so I also got work tomorrow. But for this weekend for sure, we'll put on the SubiSpeed headlights, and we'll see what we'll do about the wing, because I'm gonna get that on. But tail lights on, headlights, or not, yeah, headlights this weekend will get put on. We got tail lights on, which is easy stuff, but yeah, we'll see. Till next time.